Okay, so let us take one very basic simple example to understand the relationship between frequency, velocity and wavelength. So an object is given to you and it is vibrating 6,000 times in 1 minute. So what will be the frequency of vibration? It is 6,000 upon 1 minute? No. You cannot put time in minutes here. आपको time को seconds में convert करना है. So make 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. तो आपकी frequency क्या आएगी? 6,000 upon 60, that is 100 hertz. So आपको frequency यहाँ से मिल गई and velocity of sound is given to you and you are supposed to calculate the wavelength. तो velocity of sound कितना दिया आपको? 360 meters per second. Now recall the relationship between velocity, wavelength and frequency. So velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. तो आपको velocity पता है, frequency अभी आपने निकाली है, आपको क्या निकालना है? Wavelength. So wavelength will be velocity upon frequency. So velocity is 360, frequency is 100. So 360 upon 100 will give you 3.6 meters. तो यहां से जो waves produce होंगी उनकी wavelength कितनी होगी? 3.6 meters.